Do you constantly question your decisions? Even when you do something right, you feel it wasn't good enough. You replay conversations, doubt your abilities, and assume others know better than you. This isn't weakness. In this video, we explain why you doubt yourself so much, using psychology and neuroscience to uncover what's happening inside the brain in simple, clear language. Self-doubt is a learned pattern. Self-doubt doesn't appear overnight. It develops through repeated criticism, comparison, fear of mistakes, unpredictable feedback. Over time, the brain learns to question itself to avoid rejection or failure. The role of the inner critic. The inner critic is a mental voice shaped by past experiences. It often sounds like parents, teachers, authority figures. The brain believes self-criticism will keep you safe, but it slowly erodes confidence. The amygdala and fear of being wrong. The amygdala is responsible for detecting threat. For some people, being wrong feels dangerous. This can come from childhood environments where mistakes were punished. Approval felt conditional. As adults, the brain avoids risk by creating doubt. The prefrontal cortex and overanalysis. The prefrontal cortex helps with thinking and evaluation. When overstimulated, it overanalyzes, it rechecks decisions, it delays action. This turns healthy thinking into paralysis by doubt. Comparison and the dopamine trap. Constant comparison lowers dopamine. Social media trains the brain to focus on others' success, ignore personal progress, assume you're behind. Low dopamine reduces motivation and confidence. Self-doubt versus self-awareness. Self-awareness helps growth. Self-doubt attacks identity. Self-awareness, I can improve this. Self-doubt, I'm not good enough. One builds skill, the other builds fear. Why self-doubt feels so real? Self-doubt activates the nervous system. Your body reacts with tension, anxiety, avoidance. This physical reaction convinces the brain that the doubt is true, even when it isn't. How self-doubt shows up in daily life. Common signs include overthinking decisions, seeking constant reassurance, fear of speaking up, procrastination, imposter syndrome. These are protection strategies, not personality flaws. Rewiring self-doubt. Confidence doesn't come from forcing belief. It comes from safety and repetition. Take small actions, allow mistakes without punishment, reduce comparison, separate mistakes from identity, practice self-compassion. The brain learns confidence through experience. To summarize, self-doubt is learned, not natural. Fear and past criticism strengthen it. Overthinking keeps it alive. Safety and action weaken it. You don't lack ability, your brain learned to protect you. If this video resonated with you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy, comment, what do you doubt yourself about most? Understanding self-doubt is the first step to confidence.